delivering candy to 500 people in a very special way. KSHB 41's Leslie Delasport sets the scene for us in Independence.
Candy came raining down on Easter Sunday.
I expected like more sour candy or something, but I didn't get as many as I thought I would.
For kids in Independence, the Easter Bunny not only hopped, but dropped off candy with some help from Kansas City helicopter pilots.
Yeah, I finished my first bag!
Pastor Brian Gallardo and his wife Jillian said this is their way of giving back to the community on Resurrection Sunday. They started this candy drop a few years ago and say bringing kids and families to church with a little fun is a great way to make sure the message and meaning of Easter gets across.
Today we made it about Jesus and candy for just a moment and kind of put the hook out there to get them to come hear the message of resurrection, that we're just so thankful that he's the hope of the world. The world is upside down crazy right now, but there is hope in Jesus.
In Independence, Leslie Delasport, KSHB 41 News.